Hi guys and welcome back to Crypto News. I'm your host Crypto Chester and today we are here to talk about Turbo, the AI coin created for the people, the blue pill or the red pill coin, okay? We've seen this thing do very well over the last its whole history here, and we saw an all-time high market cap for this asset, roughly up at around $800 million. Since then, unfortunately, this thing has plummeted. I'm talking it's now set at $130 million market cap. Now, if this thing is going to recover, we're probably going to see quite a big surge in the price. I'm talking a 5 to maybe even a 10x here to smash through to all-time highs. Now, the big question is, do I think that's going to happen? I don't think this meme is dead, okay? I really don't think it's dead. Sat at $130 million market cap in this current meme coin market is absolutely outstanding. Still holding its place in one of the top memes out there, okay? So you can see, obviously, not as established as other ones right now, but it's still next to Peanut, right? It's still next to Peanut, a few other AIs, Book of Memes still there as well, Nero. So it's still sat next to some of the biggest meme coins in the space right now and still has millions of dollars, hundreds of millions of dollars actually in market cap still invested in it. Let's do a little price update to see where we are at over the last day. Roughly down around 4.96%, so down 5% in the last day. But the last 7 days, you can see it's actually up 22.57%. Quite impressive, may I say. Now, as you can see, it has come down a bit from this high, but what we're probably looking at now is a consolidatory phase, a consolidation phase, guys, okay? And we will look at the chart very shortly, very important information there, but we're probably looking at another leg up after that. You can see in the month, it's actually down 15%. So you can see it's come down. It's seen a massive spike to the upside. We need another leg up to get to that break-even zone on the monthly, which is at around 2.1, okay? So we will see that very shortly here on the price chart. So let's go over into the chart and let's see what we're working with here. Before we do that, guys, I want to talk to you quickly about Solaxy. Now, Solaxy have just raised $30 million in their pre-sale. They're about to launch. This thing looks super bullish, and basically, they're the layer 2 protocol to Solana, something that we haven't seen before, and it's looking really strong. To raise $30 million is saying something, okay? So you can see they're actually tackling network congestion, failed transactions, scalability limitations, while also keeping the same strengths of Solana being built on Solana itself, okay? If you want to get involved with it, you can. All you got to do is connect your wallet. You can buy with crypto. You can even buy with Visa card or MasterCard as well. I'll leave the link in the description for you guys to go check out that project. You should definitely do your own research. Do your own research on that project because there is some really bullish stuff happening over on those guys, over with those guys as well. Now, talking about Turbo. Back to the chart for a second, you can see over on the weekly, we'll start off at, okay? The weekly has been an absolute bloodbath, as I said earlier, okay? It's been disgusting. It's been absolutely horrific. But if you look at the floor price from where it was when it originally was listed on Mexi, it's actually exploded up quite nicely from that zone, okay? So it's still not quite as low as it could go, I do think. I think we could go a little bit lower. But what we do want here is to really reclaim this area, okay? And the reason why this area is super important is because this is actually the confirmed higher low from the macro run to the upside, okay? And what I mean by that, guys, it's a massive level that has been respected in a lot of price action. And the fact that we've rejected off this zone and we haven't actually tested it yet says something, okay? So what it probably means is going to happen here is we're probably likely to see a bit of a move to the upside. We will reclaim the 7 SMA here on the weekly. When that happens, we're likely to see around a 40% move to the upside here, testing all major moving averages here up to this higher low macro point, and then it's very likely we get resistance from that zone. Okay, so if we're looking at a nice clean trade for this, we're not going to be getting in at 40%. We're going to be shorting the pump to the upside, okay? Because we know the trend has changed. We've invalidated the crucial trend points, and it's only right that we come back up for a retest here. So if that does happen, then there is going to be a really nice clean, probably 20% move to take advantage of. That is going to be it from me, guys. Let me know what you think of Turbo in the comment section. Go check out Solaxy as well. I'll leave the link to this in the description. Again, do your own research, guys. This thing is going to launch very soon. $30 million raise is not something that we can ignore. Thank you ever so much for watching. Peace out for now, and I'll see you in the next one.